At number 2, we have the Zojirushi NW-JEC18BA. This is our runner-up pick and excels at producing perfectly cooked rice through its combination of pressure cooking and induction heating technology. This Japanese-made rice cooker features advanced AI fuzzy logic that learns and adjusts cooking cycles based on user feedback through its innovative My Rice setting, which offers 49 different ways to customize rice texture. The 10-cup capacity unit comes with multiple specialized cooking modes, including white rice, umami, mixed, sushi, jasmine, porridge, congee, brown rice, GABA brown, and steel-cut oatmeal. Its iron-coated platinum-infused inner cooking pan ensures even heat distribution and features a durable non-stick coating. The cooker takes approximately 55 minutes for white rice and 90 minutes for brown rice, consistently delivering fluffy, well-textured results. Safety features include multiple fail-safe measures for pressure cooking, an integrated steam vent, and sensors to ensure proper setup. While the unit requires manual cleaning and occupies significant counter space at 14 by 10 by 8 inches, its self-cleaning function helps reduce odors. The clear LCD control panel and intuitive button layout make operation straightforward despite its advanced features.